Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm back in fabulous Las Vegas. I'm going to give you a quick room tour of the room I recently had on the Las Vegas Strip at the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. I originally booked a Go room at the Flamingo. There's Go rooms and Flamingo rooms. I booked the Go room, which is the cheapest room you can get. It was a king non-smoking with a view of the high roller observation wheel outside the window. But I also did a an auction, I should say, for $5 more a day to upgrade to the Flamingo room. And that would be a last-minute decision that they make when I check in if they have any available. But for $5 a day more, it's a much nicer room. It's completely renovated. So that's eventually what I did get, and it wasn't that much more expensive than the Go room. I got a nice view of the high roller observation wheel, as well as the Go pool here at the Flamingo, and the Flamingo habitat as well. So let's check this room out, shall we? Flamingo is one of those rare Las Vegas Strip hotels and casinos that gives you an empty refrigerator. Very convenient, especially if you're here for a week.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
The Flamingo is pretty much my home base for the week, but I did stay at other hotels and casinos. Those videos will be coming shortly on the New York channel. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And just a reminder, we're getting close to that 10,000 subscriber mark. If you're not subscribed and you're watching this right now, please click on that subscribe button. It really does help the channel out. Also, a special thanks to everyone who's recently left a super thanks on my videos. Your support of the New York channel is greatly appreciated, and it gets you a shout out on an upcoming video.
And that's it. This is the King non-smoking Flamingo room at the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. I originally booked a Go room, which is a little bit cheaper, but I put in a bid for $5 a day extra for the Flamingo room. If they accepted it, that would be great, and they actually did accept that. So for another, I don't know, $25, $30, I got a nicer room with a nicer view. I got a view of the Go pool. There's two pools here. I got a view of both of them. The habitat is right below me, as well as the high roller observation wheel, which is beautiful in the daytime and 10 times more beautiful at night. The room is very clean, it's comfortable. Not too sure about how safe it is. There's no security by the elevators, and you don't need a key to operate those elevators, so that's a concern. But other than that, this is like my home away from home it's become from Las Vegas. It's certainly not the Palazzo or other places that I've stayed. And I do plan on visiting other places and showing you those rooms as well while I'm here. But this is going to be like the home base for me for the week. And it's a place that I can run to in Center Strip if I want to catch a nap or something like that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Lots more coming from the New York channel. Stay tuned.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.